What's poppin', y'all? So today we're getting right into the tutorial. So today with my P. Louise base, which I just bought this. I know I'm so late, but I got the P. Louise base and I got this in 0.5, and I'm definitely gonna get a darker shade. This is like basically pure white. I just wanted to try it out, but I'm gonna spread that base across my eyelid, and as you see, I am carving out the bottom of my eyebrows with this. I wanted to really have a blank canvas, so you don't have to do that. You can definitely use concealers. Y'all know my tutorials. I've been using concealer, so I ain't changed on my girls, you feel me? So I did go ahead and blend this out with a sponge because when I was using a dense fluffy brush, it just wasn't smoothing out properly, so the sponge kind of did better. My Warrior palette from Juvias Paste, I'm taking these three shades, a dark brown, a medium brown, and then that beige, and we're going to use that to create this look today. So I did notice I was creasing, so I did go ahead and fix that. You want to fix your creases. Do not put shadows over those creases because you're going to set the crease. So I'm going to go ahead and take the darkest brown shadow and we're going to pop that into my crease, and you see me using packing motions to build up the color. And then on top of that dark brown that we just laid down, I'm going to go ahead and take that medium brown shade and we're just going to pack that on, and we're getting ready to blend. First you want to pack, now we're blending. So I'm going to go back in with that dark brown shade, and now you see me using circular motions to blend these colors together. And this is the easiest way I can explain to you guys on how to blend. So I'm dusting off the excess product because you do not want to leave too much product when you're blending, because that's when you're going to take the look up too high. So now we're cutting the crease, and I am looking forward to making a beginner's tutorial to show you guys how to cut creases, how to do your foundation, concealer, eyebrows, all of that. I learned this trick from Trina K, and basically you're going to cut your crease and then you're going to clean it up, and I just used micellar water. I don't know how to pronounce it, but you can use a makeup wipe, whatever, and you just want to clean the crease that you just cut, recut your crease. And the reason why you do that is because what ends up happening is the shadows mixed, and they mix in with your base, and it just doesn't create a pure white or, you know, a clean cut crease. So that's why you want to clean when you cut your crease, and I hope that makes sense. But anyways, now what I'm doing is I'm packing on that beige kind of whitish shade, and we're gonna pack that onto my lid. Now with that dark shade, I'm gonna make a C shape and apply that, and then you're gonna see me also apply the light brown shade, and we're just gonna blend those two colors together so the cut crease blends in with the outer corner of our eye. And I hope this is making sense. Oh my gosh. But y'all can see what I'm doing too. So now we're gonna go ahead and do a liner. And today, instead of doing just a full cat eye, I'm actually going to blend my liner into my shadows. So with my Morphe 12P palette, you can use any black shade. After you make a thick liner, you want to take that black shade at the end of the liner and you want to bring that into your crease, and you see I'm blending it out with that brown, that dark brown shade. And here I'm just taking that champagne color and applying that to my brow bone to get some highlight. So after I apply my mascara, we're going to get ready to put some falsies on. Now, if you want the details for these lashes, don't forget to check my description box. Everything will be linked down below with my promo codes. Alright baby, so let's get started with the skin. I bought so many new products and I'm so excited to use this in this video. But I actually bought the Milk's moisturizer, and I did go ahead and moisturize my skin. And I don't know why I don't have the clip, but I also bought their hydrating primer, and I did want to try that out, which I do like the primer. But with my Juvias Place foundation, and if you want to know the color I am, just check my description box down below. But I am going to go ahead and apply this foundation. This is the Velvet Matte Finish, and I really do like this. Like, this is probably my favorite foundation right now. So I also bought Milk's concealer, and this is in Golden Sand. Not quite sure, but it will be down below if I'm incorrect. But I am going to go ahead and just highlight my T-zone. So we're going to create triangles under my eyes. We're going to put some concealer on the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my chin, and under my nose. So we're gonna go ahead and just blend that out. Take your time blending, sweetie. The number one thing to makeup is blending, okay? Blend your shadows, blend your makeup, blend your foundation, blend your concealers, blend your contours. You don't want any harsh lines, so make sure you are taking your time in your blending. And while we're blending, can we please just talk about the quality of my videos? I just want to know if you guys notice, like, I've been really trying to take it seriously. I've been uploading twice a week. I've just been really trying, like, my quality, my content. Shout out to my homegirl Makeda. She's been on my ass about just stepping up my production skills. So tell me if you guys noticed it. You know, give your girl some love. Let me know y'all see me. So with my Milk's translucent setting powder, I'm gonna go ahead and set. Now, I don't know what it was. I do not like how they have this net. I'm gonna show you guys here. They have like this net over the powder, and it was hard for the powder to come out. I ended up finally getting the powder out, but I did not like that. But the translucent powder, I definitely like it. Not quite Laura Mercier's, but very good. So anyways, I'm gonna set the rest of my face with the Fit Me loose powder from Maybelline, and this is in number 20. I think it's like medium, light medium. I don't know, will be linked down below, but I'm gonna go ahead and set everywhere else around my face. And I never used to do this, but you do want to set anywhere you apply liquids. And at first the shade was a little light, but after blending it out, it definitely kind of absorbed into my. So my black Opal foundation stick, I'm gonna go ahead and use this to contour, and I'm just gonna pop that onto all my areas. And do y'all see how much makeup I just bought? Like, this is basically all new products. Like, I love it. So we're just gonna go ahead and blend out that contour shade. We're gonna add some color back into our skin. Just give us some liveliness right now, because we was definitely looking a little dead. With my favorite contour palette, I'm gonna go ahead and just apply contour over the cream contour that we just did, and I'm just doing that to set this makeup. Everywhere that I applied any type of liquids, I wanted to set it with the powder. So now we're gonna take my blush from my OLP Cosmetics, and we're just gonna go ahead and apply that blush. In real life, it looked very pinky ready, but it's honestly like not bad. Use them. And then we're just going to take some black liner, and we're going to put it on our waterline and also on our bottom lash line, because I really want this look to be smoked out since we smoked out the top liner. And I also bought a new setting spray, so I'm going to go ahead and just set my face. And y'all see I use so much. So here I'm taking my Juvia's Place Royalty 2 highlighter, and I'm just going to go ahead and highlight. And you're also going to see I did go ahead and do a little trick. I also put loose glitter, like eye glitter. I put gold glitter on my highlight, so when I took my low light pictures, you can kind of see the glitter reflex. I definitely could have added more, but yeah, that's a little hack for you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and do my lips, and I've been trying new colors in my lips. Today we're going to do a glossy red lip, and I just lined my lips with a brown liner from Ruby Kiss. It's just dark brown, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply the glossy red lips from NYX. And that's pretty much it for this look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry I didn't do an intro or an outro. I had so many issues making this video today, but I love you guys so much. Don't forget to show love, talk to me, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video, which is Tuesdays and Thursdays.